Hey guys, let's get started. So today I'm going to be showing you this unit by one of my favorite hair companies, TINASHE Hair. I love this company. Like, they're so sweet. I love their quality, their aesthetic. Everything is so on point. And every time you buy TINASHE Hair, you get this super cute mirror that I'm just like obsessed with because it's so good quality and so cute. But the hair that I'm going to be showing you is also one of my favorite. I always say this in all of these videos that I love water wave hair, and I've got 24 inches of water wave hair with me today with 250% density, baby girl. So isn't she lovely? Literally, she's thick, she's long, she's good quality. The lace is pre-tinted, pre-plucked. Girl, like, I'm obsessed. So I'm just gonna brush it out a little bit just to show you guys, what's tea or whatever. But I am going to just show you the actual, I want to show you why I'm obsessed with this texture. Like, do you see how beautiful this hair is? Am I the only person who sees how lovely, how stunning water wave hair is? Am I the only one? Like, 24 inches of this? Girl. So it is a 360 wig. I love these because if you're trying to put your hair up in a ponytail or whatever, you can definitely do that with a 360. And the clips are like in the center of the wig, so you see there's only tracks in the middle, and there are actual straps. Like, there's actual clips for you to adjust and make it tighter and make it fit your head. I've got this issue, and it's not even like a specific hair company or whatever, but I've just got a small head. If you're like me, you have a really small head and a lot of wigs just don't fit you. So imagine a 360. It's really hard. So what you're going to do is you're going to firstly cut the lace off just so you can see what you're doing. I'm going to cut the entire perimeter off, and this is how it looks. So the first thing that really can help you if you do have a wig that's a bit big are the combs that already come in the wig. So that's gonna help you just adjust and have the hair fit you and stick, so it doesn't move around. And then there are the adjustable straps. I use these all the time. There isn't a wig where I don't use these, and these are nice because they're like bra straps, so you can adjust the pockets or whatever. There are little pockets in there, and you can make it fit your head. This is normally enough for a lot of people. I am putting this on just to show you guys how the water wave looks when it's dry. There isn't any water on here or whatever. Obviously, I will be putting water in this hair because I just like that texture. But I do want to show you that even if, you can rock it the way it is. And then I'm going to use an elastic band. This is my last resort a lot of the time. What you want to do, the trick with an elastic band, is you want to pull it. You want to measure when it's pulled out so that okay, when it's on my actual head, it will fit me properly. So you'll stretch it, you'll pull it onto from ear to ear basically, and then you want to cut it. And then when it's cut nicely and you've got the right, length, I guess, then you will put it onto your wig. So you will use a needle and wool. I suggest wool because wool is thicker and it will hold. When the wig stretches, it will actually help you and it will hold it down, kind of thing. So I will make my knot and then I will start threading the elastic band. So on your wig, even if it's a frontal, even if it's a 360, there are little straps. Not straps, but there are places where the frontal has been sewn, and they exist on either side of your ear tabs. So it's super easy. You'll see them literally on your wig, but that's where you really want, ideally, that's where you want to sew your wig or your elastic. You want to sew it on each side of your ear, right? When it's on your head, it's by your ears, kind of thing. And yeah, super simple. All you do is literally just thread it, and make sure it is tight because it is elastic. It's going to snap if it's not tight. And then I'm just going to take my water bottle and I'm going to activate the curls of this water wave hair. I don't understand. I get so excited about water wave. I just love it. And I actually do like water wave in a longer texture, in a longer length. Basically, that's it, guys. If you did enjoy, then let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know Do you love water wave as much as I love it? I'll have all the details for this wig down below. If you want to shop it, then I will have that down below as well. And if the company is having a sale or anything like that, I'll let you know in the comment section, and I'll also let you know in the description box. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.